Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel and another video of the review series. In this video we will discuss AOMEI Backupper Proffesional. AOMEI is an international company which develops different software for backup. So before we start, you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any update in future. First of all, download and install the software from its official website. Link is in description below. When we install it, its launch screen appears on the screen and we see different tools like Home Backup, Sync, Restore, Clone and Tools. These tools have different options to provide different features. First of all, we will check Backup tool, which provide us different option like System Backup, Disk Backup, Partition Backup, and File Backup. Every option has different features. Let's discuss them one by one. System Backup provide us Windows complete backup and create an image of system. Partition Disk Backup provide us complete hard disk backup and create an image file for it. Partition Backup completely create partitions backup of dynamic volumes to an image file. Backup keep our files or folders into an image file. And in Sync Backup we see 4 different options like Basic Sync, Real-Time Sync, Mirror Sync, and Two-Way Sync. Basic Sync changed files from the source directory to the destination directory. The Real-Time Sync changed files from the source directory to the destination directory. In Real-Time Mirror Sync, always keep your files in the destination directory exactly the same as the source directory, and in Final Two-Way Sync, changes in the source or destination directory will be synced to the other side. Restore feature simply restore all our data from image file to destination folder where we want to restore it or save it. Clone tool features contains 3 basic functions like System Clone, Disk Clone, and Partition Clone. System Clone will clone or migrate our system from SSD to other disk. Disk Clone will clone a hard disk to another drive. Partition Clone will clone a partition or volume from one to another. Extra tools contain some extra and important tools like Windows 11 Update Checker, Create Bootable Media, Explore Image Cloud, Backup, iPhone Backup, and Transfer. All these tools are very important if you want some extra functionalities for AOMEI Backupper Proffesional. This was the AOMEI Backupper Proffesional review, and we hope that we covered all the features which are available in this simple to use software. If this video helped you, then like, comment, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you guys.